Tagaytay Travel Vlog number 4. So, dito pa rin kami ngayon sa Tagaytay. Today is Sunday, by the way. Christ the King. So, magsimba kami ngayon sa... Saan tayo magsimba? Sa Pink Sister. So, anong oras na? Around 7 or 7:30, I think, yung isa. So, I'll let you see my friends. Say hi! Good morning!
Hi, good morning.
Doro, say hi!
Hi, Dad.
Say hi!
Hi.
Morning, say hi! Good morning! Good morning, Miss Angry Bird! Let's see the feather! Let's see the feather! What a feather!
Hi, Daddy.
Hello there, hello!
Daddy James.
Tapos ay si Edwin sa harapan.
Daddy yan lang.
So,
Adopted, but it's different.
what? It's not registered yet. So,
Magka-bosses kaya kami. Okay.
So wala akong masabi.
Maganda yun. And good ah.
Bye! Masay bye! Wala akong masabi ngayon. Bye! Bye!
GM, house.
Pati na feathers?
Bahay.
Kata feathers.
House.